I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ice cream just with milk. Making delicious ice cream at home is simpler than you might think, requiring only a few basic ingredients and some patience. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a creamy, delightful dessert without needing an ice cream maker. Get ready to transform simple milk into a wonderful frozen treat that everyone will love. It's a fun and rewarding kitchen project. Now let's get to mixing our simple ice cream base. In your pre-chilled bowl, combine the 2 cups of cold whole milk with the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until you can no longer feel any sugar granules, ensuring a smooth base. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or your preferred flavoring, to infuse that wonderful aroma and taste. This step is crucial for a well-balanced flavor. The freezing process is key to achieving that desirable creamy texture. Pour your well-mixed base into the airtight container. Place it in the freezer for 1 hour, then take it out and stir it vigorously to break up any forming ice crystals. This step is vital. Continue this stirring process every 30 to 45 minutes for about 3 to 4 hours. This regular agitation prevents large ice crystals from forming, ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable ice cream. After all that careful stirring, let your ice cream freeze undisturbed for at least 4 more hours, or preferably overnight, to fully set. When you're ready to enjoy, take it out of the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. This brief softening period makes it easier to scoop and enhances its creamy texture. Serve your delightful homemade milk ice cream as is, or add your favorite toppings like fresh berries or chocolate sauce. Enjoy your simple, delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.